Defensive boards, but Serbia running away with it easily for the two-handed stuff. Milutinov left. Well, that's stolen away as well, and more easy transition points for the Serbs. Get the shot off, but it's off the mark. Rebound pulled in by Guduric, and it's kicked out long. And again, Serbia are out in transition, and they will get more points and a chance for a bonus. Nikola Jovic pulling in the rebound. Guduric throwing it inside. It's decent defense, but an even better hook from Milutinov into the game. Again, it's right down Main Street, too easy. Avramovic. 6 on the shot clock. Knocked loose. They still have it, but they're going to have to shoot. Anderson is blocked. And Serbia come away with it. They have numbers as well, 3-on-1. And again, an easy lay-in. Jovic, 6 on the shot clock. Zhao to inbound. Here's the chance. And finally, a field goal. Zhang Zhenlin play. Jovic inside. Now, a nice little spin and off the glass from Zhang. On to Zhao. Inside, good pass. Good pass. And an easy finish for... He was able to back his way over the halfway line. Little rock and roll, drives in. Nice dump off, but good hands. Serbians live on the ball, but it's finished. Underneath, Eugene Kui. Zhang provides the outlet. Little step back. Corner three is good for Zhao Yuwei. Dobric kicking it out. Jovic looking for room. Here's Simonic, and he knocks it down. Game clock for China to get one back. That's a foul, but not a big enough, strong enough foul. The game trying to find their way back into this contest. Anderson stumbling to the ground, but he still managed to kick it out to the corner and find Hugh to knock down his second three of the game. Down in the low post, it's not an easy pass there. Anderson has it ripped away by Bogdanovic. He's running it back, and again points in transition. Away, Jovic. Anderson driving to the rim, and he gets his first points, but comes up hobbling. That will be the worry here, just a few days out. Zhang or who would oblige. Broken up. Again, Serbia running. Look at the numbers they have in transition and how easy it is. Oh, beautiful little fake there from who as he gets to the rim. Milutinov with the handoff. Little hesitation and penetration, and Bogdanovic is just too good. Spins out of the trap. Zhang looking to attack, trying to create some space for himself and knocking down the shot. Yao Ming watching on. We could do with a bit of his scoring presence, I think it's fair to say. Guduric. Bogdanovic trying to go to work, still got the ball. Milutinov. Cute. Want to send him left. And a three in the corner is good from Zhu. Long. Bogdanovic left wide open. That's not a sensible tap. Joel to Anderson. Good positioning inside. Listen to the roar, but the defense collapses on Zhu and it's ripped away from him. Bogdanovic in transition finds his spot, knocks down another three. Here he is again, Zhu Kui. Urge to go. Kicks out instead, and the three from Zhao is good. Bogdanovic passes out of the mid-range shot. gets it back, fakes the three, kicks to the corner, and it's good. Marinkovic with the triple. Another three, and it's good again. Zhao knocking it down. Anderson forcing his way to the basket, not quite. And it's not loose and in the hands of you would imagine at some point he will get going. If they can hang on and wait for that. Here's Zhao again from behind the arc. Zhao Jiwei quarter, and he's carried that on here into the third. But that is just wiped out straight away. Now just behind the Serbian bench are a load of what look to be local Chinese fans in Serbia shirts, and they're being heard. And a corner three will silence them as Zhu Peng hits from behind the arc. Zhao, nice pass. Oh, but he's missed the layup there. Zhu Kui, crowd cannot believe it. He's done well to stay in bounds, and they've got 2 points out of that. It looked like it was going to be a turnover. Zhang back to Anderson. Taking it in under pressure, good finish. Said he'd been not quite at his best at 100% after that little ankle tweak in the first half. Calm as you like, Stephanie. 2.5 minutes to go. Long third quarter here. And quick step. And found the room. What a finish. Human Zhuan. Let's take another look back. Bit of an acceleration. Trying to create some room. Manages to maneuver his body to kiss it in off the glass, and third. Who around the screen has some room for the triple, and he strings it. He's certainly nice pass. Petrushev left open, he gets those 3 points right back. Long to go, but he wasn't comfortable at that position. He might be here. It's more his room, and he forces that one home. And he'll go. Oh, that is a sensational pass. Can they make some inroads? Nice pass, and a two-handed throwdown. No mistake this time from Wang Jilin. Wang, under pressure, is able to convert off the glass. Well, that pass. And that's the result of it. What could have been a missed. Bogdanovic snaking his way through, throws it out the back door, and the three just takes the air out of the building. Fu coming to set the screen with time running down. And a long step from Zhao getting all the way to the basket. Another three. Zhou Rui trying to slightly down, but not by much. And it's 3-point range as well. Very similar. And haven't fully recovered. Had their moments, but not all the way back. And Serbia, just whenever they need to pull out a shot like that. And I'm not 100% sure that China would have been able to respond if they had. As well as, and as hard as the Chinese have kept on playing. Will they try and get one more score? Crowd are urging them to do so. It does go up on the buzzer, but it doesn't go. And a good victory for Serbia. 87 points on the board, 64 against Very nice win, got off to a good start and then sort of cruised after that. Moments for China without really putting together a full 40 minutes. These two teams will meet again next Saturday.